Hello to all you folks watching, and thank you for tuning in. My name is Tyler Cox, and I am here on behalf of Yamaha Unified Communications to steal 60 seconds of your day to talk about three products that are changing the education industry as we know it. Number one is our work from home, work from anywhere bundle kit. It is the YVC 200 Bluetooth speakerphone paired up with the Hubly Go camera. It is being utilized in higher education by students and teachers for virtual learning. Number two is our education audio kit. This is a perfect piece of equipment for presenters, both in classroom and virtually. It has voice lift and lecture capture, and it is a plug and play USB wireless microphone. And thirdly is our all-in-one beautiful CS700 video audio soundbar. People are putting these on carts and creating classrooms where they can, either on campus or at home. Enjoy, take a look, and talk to you soon.